Openbay Otis, an online chat platform designed specifically for the automotive service industry. Otis is software that sits on your website and jumps into action when it encounters a visitor. Its goal is to help support existing customers and, more importantly, help convert your website visitors into new customers, especially mobile phone carrying millennials and Gen Zs driving older vehicles. Otis is menu driven and also supports free-form typing. It understands the written language and can respond in the same format. Otis will always guide the visitor toward an appointment, and it can be configured to block out certain times of the day or times of the week. As you can see here, there are no available times on the date that was selected, but we will show the next available time slot. This is all controlled by the shop. Otis's database supports all vehicle makes, models, and years. Today's modern-day consumer expects information delivered that is unique and personalized. Therefore, the more information we capture from the user, the more precise we can be with our response. Otis captures all of this information and can respond to the user in a method that they decide, whether it's email, phone call, or text. Otis allows the visitor to type in special notes, a summary of the appointment will be shown to the visitor. Whether you're on a mobile phone or a desktop computer, it's very easy to communicate with Otis, and it understands unique needs for each visitor. For example, I need brakes for my Honda. Otis will begin to ask questions so that it fully understands what you exactly need for your vehicle. In this case, you can choose from a catalog of services. I've selected brake pads for the front of my Honda. Next, it'll ask you if you want to make an appointment or get an estimate. In this case, I want an estimate, and I'm done. Otis delivers pricing instantly. Otis allows the visitor to keep asking for additional services, like, for example, tires. Otis already knows your year, make, and model vehicle because you previously entered that information. It may need a bit more, but it'll respond with the type of tire that is required for your vehicle. Otis displays the brand of tires, the name of the tire, price, and availability. A visitor is able to drill into the tire that meets their needs. You can see pricing, availability, details, specs, warranty, and features of that tire. Otis has the ability to show additional services that you can present to the visitor. Oil changes, wheel alignment, services that your business offers can be presented here. And again, we always end the conversation with the visitor by asking if they would like to make an appointment. Otis can handle simple tasks like answering basic questions about your business to more complex questions such as I need pricing information or I need to book an appointment. Otis also supports businesses that are multi-location. It supports two-way texting between visitors and a staff member. Otis also has a full suite of analytics that you can track its performance on a daily basis. To learn more about Otis, visit openbay.com/solutions.